ganito ka. After that stair, that flight of stairs, unhealthy ka. Kasi pinapakinggan ko si ate girl, yung kasabay natin. Hindi siya hingal eh. Tuloy-tuloy yung kwento niya eh. It was nothing to her. So where's the dining hall? This is your everyday life. She walks this much every day. And she works pa. Lian, you're gonna have a jeep soon, I bet. Because you work hard, you study hard. Ito? Ah? Dorms. Girl, alam mo, dito talaga ako. Center for Cinematic Arts. These are the dorms. Di ba? Bongga. Okay, this is a dining hall. Medyo mas maingay na dito compared to what's that? Ay, ito noodle bar. Because you can pay here with card. Yeah, but we're separate. Smoked veggies. Oh yeah, sorry, that one. So what are those? So we're having an American feast, mac and cheese, smoked veggies, pulled pork, beef brisket, mac and cheese, and coleslaw. That's really? Because they're all smarter. But you guys, walang cashier dito. Tapos lalabas ka lang, matcha-charge na sa'yo automatic. By the way, hindi ko na vlog, pero going inside here, you will scan your phone. Ganyan. Daming tao. Hagdan na naman. Saan? May elevator din. Oh, by the way, this school is in La Jolla. Can you video me? Kasi mukhang student with the bag eh. Nagawa mo yung homework saan? Cut ko na lang yan. So, mas madami ng student compared to nung nakadating kami here. Kasi, lunchtime na. Sabi ni Lian, usually, yung mga breaks nila is, example, 11:20, 11:50. Yeah, that's why they're out na.
So, pag something 50 or something 20 na, ang dami ng
student. Yeah. It's lunchtime. Okay, so how do you feel that you study in UCS?
Cut.
No cuts here. No, like, can you believe it na taga-hope ka lang nun, Lian, in a ilang kayo sa class?
Taga-St.
Tapos biglang dito ka pala magka-college. Did you ever imagine? Bawal pa cute. Dapat tunay na answer.
Hindi na.
So, any tips on how to get here? Guys!
Ito kasi hindi alam kung paano ko natanggap with my essays.
Ano mga diniscuss mo sa essays?
May tanong, pipili ka tatlong questions na sasagutin.
Ano yung pinili mo?
Actually, hindi ko naman. Tapos may isang required na parang hindi ko na alam. Kung yung parang, ewan?
Kakainis to ini-interview natin. Ano? Say it. Nasya-shy ka lang eh.
No, ayoko nang, hindi ko na maalala kung ano yung tanong eh.
Okay, we're so proud of Lian. She's the representative of our family. Ano ba yan? Ibinibenta kita bigla tangina, tanga.
Yeah.
Hopefully, Chimi can study here also. Hi guys, I am here right now. CR break lang si Lian and I. The school is so nice and how I wish I was studying here as well. But I could only wish. Did I break it? Did I break it? I could only wish that Chimi and my other nieces and nephew could also experience this kind of campus life. Kung hindi sana umuulan daw, nasagas sana kami. Yun din ang inimagine ko. Purple dress, guys. Yun talaga ini-imagine ko, like, frolicking under the sun. Parang ano talaga, parang siyang UP. But, ang difference nila, UP is not so walkable and it's not as pretty as this, of course. Pero laki-laki din ng UP eh.
So, makita yung G-spot.
G-spot, sige. Madaming din nakakakita ng G-spot.
Nahanap ko siya.
May kumakain doon, tapos yung pasubo siya.
Oh, it's
Parang
blue
noodles.
pepper Asian cuisine.
Oh, noodles yung kinakain ni Kuya. Na, nag-eye to eye kami. I think he fell in love with me.
Sabi mo, Kuya, pa noodles.
Wait, before I die, let's go to that board. Welcome to Student Center. Yan o, before I die. Before I die, I want to kiss Brady's mom. I see a free Palestine.
I
Aww.
want to live.
Ay, pero gets.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Save Palestine. I love. Win freestyle session. Marry the love of my life. Wow.
Ruin this.
Ay. Ay. Si Sean die. Sino si Sean? Eat a cheerleader. B. Ano yan? Whimsical and carefree. Have sex on the Costa. I wanna go here. What is this? Oh, okay. It's the G-spot. We found the G-spot. Let's go inside, aren't we? Oh, they're both cute. This is cool. Hindi pwede kunin. Hindi pwede kunin. $25. Never mind. Prison book chapter. What is this? Oh, grab any book and Venmo. $3.
Ginab mo lang.
And out of ano na yan? Going to hell ka na pagka ganun. Food co-op.
I did at one point.
This is a lot for me. Oh, it's a graffiti art park. Keep paint on boards. I love this. Diba? Instead of being so strict, they let you let loose because this is how you express your feelings eh, talaga. This is a safe space. I love that. Here. Refugees need your help at the border. Oh, nag-aaral ha?
Stairs.
Oh yeah, can we go there? That's cute. I am willing to study again. And if
Dito.
oo, pag sa ganito ulit ako mag-study, promise talaga, ano ako, Dinslicks. Aww, that is so cute. I want Phil's coffee. Are we out of the woods? Are we out of the woods? Are we out of the wood? Are we out? Are we in the clear yet? Are we in the clear yet? Are we in the clear yet? In the clear yet? Good. Are we out of the woods? Okay, let's do a fit check. Well, walang tao dito eh, so it's not so embarrassing. And we could actually put my camera somewhere. Wait, let me fix my boobs. So for today's vibe is ethereal glam. Oh! Arte mo. Okay, so of course my trusty leather jacket, H&M. And this dress I got from Forever 20. It's purple. It's from Forever. It was $17. Shoes, GU. My favorite shoes ever to exist. Socks. Okay. Wala namang nakatingin. Socks. Socks. Socks are from Uniqlo. That's the look. I have no bag kasi nilagay ko sa bag.
How about you?
Bag is Herschel with laptops and iPad inside. Kaya ang bigat. How about your fit? Where's your pants from?
Ross.
It's from Ross. Ganda ha? Good find ka dun. Shoes are Air Force. Ay, ano dyan? Jordan 1s.
Buddies from Zara.
Zara hoodie. Corduroy. So we're at her college now. And she got coffee because she needed na. Can I try? Can you video me? And I'll try. Just keep it low. Iba-iba din pala sila ng brand ng coffee. Yung mga pala-pala coffee.
Ay, what?
Oo.
Tama. Iba yung...
Brand na yung kanina.
Oh. Hindi ko nakita. Pala-pala coffee.
Parang medyo matabang.
Ako gusto ko.
Medyo matabang siya for me. Guys, lobat na. Kaya we're switching to
Kulang sa
camera.
coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kala ko yung lasa niya.
Hindi ako satisfied sa coffee niya. So, this is Revel College. This is her...
Revel.
Revel. Ay, Revel? Ano yan? Club?
Actually, ganun ko din siya i-pronounce noon.
Tapos Revel pala. Revel. Okay, anyway. So, which building are we going to? This one?
That one.
Okay. I just wanna show that these are dorms. Nakikita nyo ba? Double deck yun eh.
Tapos yung
Yan,
baba
oh.
nila, ano din, lecturers.
Ayan o,
Yung pinakababa lang.
mga double deck. Or not double deck, pero yung mga bed na matataas pang dorm. Tapos pagbaba daw nila, nandun na yung rooms, lecture halls,
Ang
and
swerte nila kung dun, no? Like, they can just wake up 10 minutes before. Brush
Yeah.
their teeth, tas baba.
so really, alam mo, that's my life.
Noon?
Yeah. May,
Pero may uniform ka.
may uniform ako. So, may times hindi ako naligo. Talaga na.
Okay lang.
Yeah. Tapos, babalik ako. Alam ba, may break ako in between na 2 hours. Maligo ako. Pagka ganun. Ang delikado sa ganun, yung pag tinamad ka nga bigla.
Pumasok.
Oo.
Ako
Yeah.
wala akong magawa eh.
O, kasi pag nandito ka, sayang kung magkakat ka, uwi ka. Sayang pinunta mo.
Sayang din yung tuition ko. Binabayaran ko yung classes ko eh. Ang mahal-mahal.
Mom, hindi po ako nagkakat masyado noon. 4th year lang. 4th year ako super nagkat na. Pero may count kasi yung cuts namin. Like, first year ka, 3 cuts ka lang per subject. Second year, 7. Third year, 7. Fourth, I think is... Hindi ko matandaan.
Ito naman.
Ay, tas wait, you can rent school.
Sabi, uy, umambon na tayo.
I wanted to do that, pero hindi, ayaw niya eh. Pag bumalik tayo dito, try natin yan ah. Pag maaraw.
Oo, kasi madalas.
Ngayon.
Gusto ko din siya ito.
Okay. Kailangan ng app yan, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Tsaka pag-aralan mo na natin. O tara na, umaambon.
walang katapusang taas-taas hagdan.
Yeah.
So, this is Lian's college,
Everyday ano siya.
which is good. Ay, good siya for this weather, pero imagine this summer.
Oh, yeah. I know, kapag maaraw, di ba malamig pa din? Pero maaraw. Pero, pawis pa din ako.
Kapag ganun, kasi lahat ng lakad eh.
Kahit malamig.
So, imagine nga pag summer. Kasi wala nang lamig, tapos maaraw pa and everything. Well, at nga, sa taas. So, hagdan na naman to, guys. Nakakainis na yan si Lian. Mahilig sa hagdan. Ito na. Guys, auditorium na to sa MC, aminin.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it
Hindi
easy.
ka naman na student.
Hindi ako ano.
Kung humilik ka, sasapakin talaga kita.
Gwapo niya na. Yung nakikita ba ako? Chat ko lang ata nakikita.
May tumabi sa kanya. Pogi ba?
Kung mag ano ka ng puting lalaki.
Dapat naman.
Oops. I'll be like, oops, sorry. School has a bridge. Alam mo ba ang Ateneo at Miriam may bridge sa loob? Ang tawag Friendship Bridge. Yeah. Uy, umaalog yung bridge. Bathroom break. Guys, I was taking a picture, right? Insert the photo here as a UCSD souvenir. Tapos biglang yung girl na dumadaan. Malayo na siya, tapos sumigaw siya and she looked back na, your dress look pretty.
I like your dress.
I like your dress.
Or your dress is
Something like that. And
your dress
It
is
made
really
my-
pretty.
oh yeah. It made my day. Like, okay, I'm gonna pay it forward. Lian, I love your jacket. But I really do though. But
Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together. Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
Thank you. What?
another CR break. So we're gonna go to H Mart Balboa. Hina-hype up sa akin yun ni Lian dahil food. Masarap daw yung Korean food doon. Guys, maulan sa NLEX. Shut up. You guys, we're back at UCSD. Okay, so we're gonna have dinner here. At the same time, we're gonna buy goods for our auntie. Okay. Di ka na, Li? Anong recommend mo dyan?
May jajang.
I want kanin.
Oh yeah, may mga ano din, rice.
Rice. Na-deprive ako ng kanin today eh. So,
Oh yeah.
sides. Got the sides. Hindi ko alam pa. Wala pa nga ako alam dahil spicy pork. Bulgogi yung akin. How would you rate your food?
9.
Okay. How about the soup?
Ito.
10. Ako, the soup, I think, is 9 for me. I really like it. Lalo na ang ginaw. Super perfect niya. This food, however, yung bulgogi, siguro mga 8.
Bulgogi.
Kahit yan eh. Hindi siya yung spicy pork na ini-imagine ko. Parang bitin yung, parang toned down. Yun. Tapos yung spicy pork, 7. Pero masarap pa din kahit hindi perfect 10. Thank you, H. Mark. Hi guys, so we have one last stop. We're gonna bring soup to our auntie. But actually, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. So that has been a day in UCSD, living my cousin's life. Thank you for taking me, Lee. Take me again next time. Sunny edition. Because the day was pretty gloomy and rainy. But still, it was a great day. I'm so happy. And how I wish we had universities like that in the Philippines, right?
Ako to.
Ay,
Ay.
sorry, Road Rage. Men, probably men. Okay, anyway, so that has been it. See you guys again on my next vlog. I don't know, maybe Thanksgiving yung next, or Christmas tree shopping. Yan.